Now, when I was performing at the El Capitan Theater, I had the wonderful opportunity of presenting a big illusion show the last couple of years. I shot a girl out of a cannon. We did the East Indian rope mystery, which people haven't seen on this coast in many, many years. I mean, since the classic guys were doing it at the turn of the century. I did all these big illusions, and I would ask the audience afterwards, what was your favorite trick? And they would more often than not say, that thing with the paper napkin. The cheapest trick in the show. But I thought you might like to see it too. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Good. It's called the torn and restored paper napkin trick, and I'm going to teach you how to do it. All you have to have are 2 paper napkins, one to tear and one to restore. Makes it much easier that way. The other thing you need is a coin. Any coin will do. This time I'm using a silver dollar, a large silver dollar for those of you here in the front. For those of you in the back, I'm using a dime. Doesn't matter what kind of coin you use, you put that in your pocket. The other thing you need to do is to take the second piece of paper and wad it up into a little ball. This is a secret one. Don't let the audience know about this piece of paper, okay? You keep that hidden in your hand. Now you're ready to begin. You show the paper to the audience, you tear it up. You don't want to hear this sound when you're sitting down. Gather all the pieces of paper together, just like that, and show it to the audience. Don't let anybody see this one over in this hand. That's the secret one, okay? Put the torn pieces up in your fingertips, just like that. Reach into the pocket and get the silver dollar. While you're doing that, that's when you secretly trade places between the torn pieces and the whole pieces, just like that. But you keep the back of your hand to the audience so they can't see it. Then you wave the coin over, say the magic words, Academy of Magical Arts, because that's politically correct. And then, I found the magicians. And then all you have to do is open up the paper and show it to the audience, just like that. Now you're saying to yourselves, gee, that's a great trick, Greg, but what happens if somebody notices the torn pieces in my hand? Well, it's very simple. All you have to do is once again say the magic words, Academy of Magical Arts, because that's where the magic happens. And sure enough, those pieces are also restored. Hey, you want to go home and practice, you can learn how to do that on your own. Wow.